can't comment on that. Can't comment on that. It's pending before the Supreme Court.
Basta sir, sasagutin ninyo.
Sasagutin namin.
Opo.
We'll just answer it. We'll file a pleading.
But sir, possible ba yun? Kasi sinasabi nila na although walang jurisdiction sa ICC, the Supreme Court can command Philippine government officials to order the return of Duterte. Possible pa po ba?
No comment muna. Kasi nga, ano nga yan sub judice, I think we should respect the means and bounds by which we will hear the cases in the Supreme Court. So it's not good to comment on these matters. But it's a news item. If they give you a pleading and it's a news item, you can report on the news item. But for me to comment on it is not proper.
Sir, meron pa silang mga kino-quote na galing dun sa Senate investigation last week. And then may sinabi rin po sila, kinote kayo from the budget hearing before about yung pagharap sa korte. Lahat ng iba sasagutin nyo naman, sir.
Oh yeah, we'll answer everything.
Siguro,
We'll
sir,
answer everything relevant to the litigation.
Tapos, sir, legal. Walang illegal dun sa nangyari, sir.
Wala. I think that we were able to give the legal basis for everything that happened on March 11. And I stand by everything that we did.
and yung
That
sir,
was done by the government.
yung abduction, in-insist kasi nila yung
Because,
abduction.
that's a semantic phraseology that is very biased. Can't operate that way because clearly they're already under competent judicial authority with the ICC tribunal hearing the cases.
Siguro sir, hope nyo na lang or prayer sa resolution ng petition na ito.
Well, it's going to take a longer time because when we answer that, the setting will be pushed back further. So the more pleadings they file, the longer it will take.
Sir, other topic, pasensya na. Sir, missing sa Bongeros.
Now we're still on it. We're still on it.
Nag-file po ang prosecution ng motion para mag-inhibit yung judge dun sa Manila Army.
Yes, yes.
Ano po sir yung dahilan natin?
We'll have to ask PG about that. I'm not directly in charge of that. I just give instructions that we cannot let a case like this go. These are people who are missing, people with families, the Filipinos. Nawawala ang mga tao na to. Kaya may katungkulan tayo na iayos at sagutin ang mga tanong sapagkat tayo ang naatasan ng batas na mag-imbestiga tungkol sa mga bagay.
Sir, si Mayor James na po sa
Lawyer niya ang kausap ko pa. Okay naman.